Hi guys, so thanks again for tuning in for yet another video. Today is going to be something different. I'm going to go behind the scenes of a product shoot that I did for a brand that I'm working with. So if you're interested in seeing how I shot the video that I'm going to post, all the things that go into behind the scenes of one of my shoots, then stay tuned. So first we're gonna set up the scene, right? I said I was gonna use a Christmas theme because it was befitting of the product and what the product entails. So that's me putting a little bit of poinsettia flowers, Christmas balls, and of course since it was a coconut crumble, I said let me use some coconut. I asked my sister to help me. She was a doll. She was so patient and kind as we took on this product shoot. The sun was so hot, but we were determined to get everything on the list in my notes done.
Yeah, hold on, just practicing first. I'm supposed to get you facing it?
Yeah, so I'm supposed to like,
Okay.
oh, are the poinsettias in it?
Okay, I need to come back some more then.
How are you supposed to come in from?
Yeah. Yeah.
Up. So there and then up. So as you can see, it took a lot of variation and a lot of patience to do this part because this was the first shoot, but we said, you know, let's feel it out and see what happens and how we can get the product and the shoot perfect. 1, 2, 3. I feel like this was the longest part of the shoot, but you know, practice makes perfect because we knew what we wanted going into the next couple of videos.
I feel like it's not what you want. Just know I'm trying.
I know, that's why I appreciate it. Okay, the sun gone down. So this was like an hour in, right? And then I said, let me try some variations of my own to show her how, you know, I wanted it to look. So after that, we got it. We like finally got it.
Yeah. Why you pause?
Psych! Nah, we didn't get it. But this, I know we were close.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yep, after I showed her this video and we agreed, we did it, guys. This is it. So of course, moving on to the next couple of shots, this part was easier, and then we moved on to some of the product shoots where I did this while she was, you know, going to get a break because I know it's tedious.
Okay, I'll do it slow. Ready?
And of course, on first try, we kind of used a little bit too much of the product.
Took a while to rub it. Girl.
And 2 hours in, I asked my dad to help me while Rebecca was taking a break, and this is how it went.
So I'm going to come up to here.
You're going to be in the thing so nobody sees it and then you zoom out. You don't zoom out far, you just have like here and here while I scoop out the thing.
So I must get your face in it?
No, Dad.
Okay.
So you...
God bless his soul. This was 20 minutes in, and I've been standing here for 2 hours. I was just...
That's one in it.
You're getting the product. The product is the important part.
Yes. Oh, the
so
product.
you're going to come out.
Yes, I know. I'm going to come in.
Are you did you press record?
Not yet. I don't start yet.
Why are you so far? I feel like you're far. You're supposed to come all the way into the thing, you know.
Okay.
And then zoom out.
All right. Well, I'm not seeing the thing of the product.
That's why you're not supposed to see it yet, Dad. Where was the video that I showed you?
Go.
Come back in.
Looking back at these videos, all I could do was laugh because it was just so hilarious. At this point, I knew Dad was going to give up, so I just said, you know, I'll wait.
I can't even. I'll just wait for it. I'll wait.
So we were 3/4 way, and I decided that I would just shoot some more products.
Bye. You can't go. You can't go. Bye.
I even said whatever I can do with the tripod, I'll do. But it seems at that point, everybody had to pass.
Oh my god. And then trail down my hand. Am I talking?
So she came back to help me, and when we tried the body oil, the nozzle was not working. So yeah. I loved using their products. The smell was out of this world. But that's always behind the scenes, so comment below and tell me what you thought. And here is the finished product. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed yourselves watching this crazy shoot unfold, and I hope that you now understand like just a little bit of what goes into content creation. It does take a lot out of us. It does take some time to get the perfect shot. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share, and make sure that you subscribe if you're new, because I'll be posting a lot more. So thank you guys for staying tuned, and see you next week.